Plank hip twist is a compound exercise that will help you to develop your core strength. It also tightens and trims down your waist. How to? Step 1. Move into the plank position. To get in the plank position, begin by lying face down on the floor. Place your toes on the floor. Put your forearms on the ground with the elbows directly under your shoulders. Lift your hips off the floor, stabilize your body with your toes and forearms. Make sure that you lift your hips up until your back is straight. You are now in the starting position. Step 2. Tighten your abdominals by pushing your stomach up towards your spine. Slowly twist at your hips sideways until the side of your hip is almost touching the floor. Pause and then return to the plank position. Step 3. Now twist your hips again. However, this time move your hips in the opposite direction. Keep lowering until the side of your hip is almost touching the floor and pause. Now return to the plank position. We upload daily videos to show you the best way to get a healthy, nice body shape. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.